how to change the language on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the language on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing the language on your phone first of all really depends upon the phone, the Android version or the iOS version, and the brand that you're currently using. In my case, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy device based on One UI 6.0 on Android 14. Depending upon the skin that you're using, this process could be different. So in my case, if I open up settings, what I have to do is I have to go to this option called general management, and when I go to general management, I can just go to the language tab from the top, or if I select it, I can select any of the other languages that I would like to change to. For iOS as well, you have to go to the general option. Now if it's quite confusing, you don't find language option from here, what I'd recommend you do is every settings application comes with a search bar, so you can tap the search option there, and then you can simply search for the settings, which in this case is language. So you can just type in language, you'll find the search results, and then you can select that, select the language option, and select a language you'd like to change to, save the changes, and your language of your phone would have been successfully changed. This way you can change the language of your phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.